So now that you've learned how to graph a line given the y-intercept and the slope, I'm going to teach you how to extend it in the opposite direction. If we want to graph points to the left of our y-intercept, this is left of the y-int. This is working backward. You go in the opposite direction. So what you do is the opposite. That's it. For example, this slope here, or this equation, this line, it says y equals negative, it's negative 1x minus 1. So my y-intercept is negative 1, and my slope is negative 1. So I'm going to make a dot at negative 1. There's my y-intercept. That's how I started. You do it too. Then I go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. It doesn't look right. You always want to have a point to the left and to the right of the y-intercept. To do it to the left, you do the opposite. So instead of going down 1, I'm going to go up 1. And instead of going to the right, I go to the left. So I go up 1, the other direction 1. Up 1, the other direction 1. And then I have my line. Y equals 3/4 x minus 4. Again, the first thing you always do is plot your y-intercept. My y-intercept is negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I make my dot. And then I go up 3 over 4. That's my slope. My slope is 3/4. So up 3, rise over run. Rise up 3, 1, 2, 3. Run 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rise over run. To go to the left, I do the opposite. So instead of going up 3, I go down 3. And instead of going to the right 4, I go to the left 4. And you can always tell if it's right because it should be able, you should be able to visualize the line that would go through it. So all I do when I graph from slope-intercept form, I graph the y-intercept 1 point to the right, 1 point to the left, and then I make my line. That's usually how I do it. I don't keep going as many spots as I can. A line is really, as long as you can connect 2 points, you can make a line, but we're going to start with 3.